Yo, what is up? I have a two-pack of Lowheat to unbox today. That's right, double the value, two for the price of one. And I want to start off by saying thank you for watching. If you're watching, if you heard that, that means you are watching. Appreciate it. And if you could drop me a subscribe, that would be dope. I don't have many subscribers, If you're watching this video, that means you probably watch other shoe YouTubers, and those shoe YouTubers probably have thousands of subscribers, if not hundreds of thousands of subscribers, tens of thousands of subscribers. I have not even 1,000. So do me a favor, help the little guy out. All right, now that that's out of the way, let's see what we're dealing with here. As you see from the title, I have the New Balance Aime Leon Dores in two colorways for you. I have them in, I got them in a size 11.5, that's my size, and I got them in green and navy blue. I did not cop the gray ones because I have the ALD, I'm going to use that, it's quicker and I probably pronounce it better. The ALD 650s, the high versions of these on pre-order to come the beginning of next year in gray. So I did not get gray in these because yes, I pre-ordered those already. So let's get to it. Stick around. I have thoughts, many thoughts. It's not just the unboxing in my videos. I have many thoughts on the market. It's the sneaker economy involving these versus others that you can get, so that you get more info than just looking at the shoe and me oohing and ahhing. I'm not going to point out every single little detail like some people do, but you're going to get my thoughts and opinions, which I think are worth something. So yeah, they shipped these together. I hit on the online raffle. It was very interesting. They dropped all three, as some of you may know, some of you may have tried. Let me know in the comments if you guys got lucky. I feel like a lot of people, there's probably a decent amount of supply. I feel like a lot of people hit who know about this drop, who knew about it. And so the people who got first access, I think, were those who pre-ordered the 650s, the highs. But there was a wider release. It was weird because that link that they sent out to everyone who pre-ordered the 650s, I think was just available to everyone if they found the link, if it was posted. So it was kind of weird. And then their other sign up was like only sign up for one at a time, but you could sign up for two at a time. So like I hit on the order where I signed up for both, or where I prepaid for both, and then didn't hit on the other one. So it like weeded those out, I guess. Anyways, enough of that. You want to see what's in the box. I'm sure there's many unboxing videos of these, so I thank you if you're watching this one. Appreciate it. All right, we got the ALD. Is this the ALD New Balance paper? I can't tell. Looks like just New Balance. I can't see much. Oh, no. There's the ALD basketball branding. Whew. Okay. Take a second. Pause. Check these out. Now, I did get the New Balance 550s, just the general release in green. Check out that unboxing video. I'll put a little card there. And you can see my thoughts on those. I love the silhouette. It's very dad shoe, but dad shoes are in. They've grown on me, like everyone. I like the silhouette, like that colorway, but the materials on it, you'll see in my review, it's just like, clearly this is why they were a general release. These immediately, I'm feeling these, looking at these already. I mean, it goes without saying, right, that this is better materials, but, sometimes it's not a huge difference. Sometimes maybe the general release is just like, almost as good. But here you can clearly tell there's better materials on these, but these also have a higher price point, right? Let's see if it's on the box. I think these were $130, and the general releases are like $105 or $110 or $100. So you're definitely paying more, but you're also getting more. This tongue is different than the regular ones. It's a different, obviously you have the ALD branding on there, but it's different than the regular ones. These, you can just tell the leather quality on top. Well, it's that cream color, but it's just softer. The other one's definitely more stiff, plasticky. The N isn't cracked leather. The N on the other ones is just, you know, it's almost this nylon-y finish to them. Here you get the cream colored midsole, and it's really nice and sticky rubber. And you get, let's see here, non-marking sole. So check out my other unboxing video to compare the general releases. Let's print out that. You get the bonus colorway of colors of laces, and you get an extra lace pair, extra cream lace pair. Oh, these are different. These are slightly different, right? Can you tell? These look more white. These look more like the tongue. These look like a cream off-white, more closer to the tongue, closer to the midsole, and these are definitely closer to the outer leather. So you get 3 laces. That's cool. I might lace swap these. I'm feeling the cream or the blue. I like contrasting laces sometimes. Maybe I'll start with a cream. I will say the whole vintage look definitely has been going strong since 2017. Not for a few years now, 2018 through now. But that being said, what's nice, the one nice thing, silver lining about the vintage look is like you can wear these and they're gonna look like the aged look. Sometimes your shoes get old and aged, and you know, previously it was uncool, or it's like clear that you're wearing used, beat up old shoes, and that wasn't cool. You weren't fresh. Now, you know, whether they're pre-aged, actually aged, pre-aged and worn, whatever, actually vintage shoes, they're all cool. So these, when they get old or wear, it's going to be the same as the day one when you opened them. So there's no real change in them. Both things are cool, whether they're authentically old or aged. So it's great. You can wear these, get these a little dirty, and like they were already yellowed. So let's bring out the other ones. Stick around if you're still watching. Stick around, stick around. You're going to get to see these, and I'm going to give you my thoughts on whether you should purchase these or general releases, what have you. My thoughts in general on more the economy and the market. It's interesting they come with this. I will say they save some money on the packaging. These boxes are janky. I generally speaking don't throw away my boxes. I keep my packaging. These though, this is pretty janky, and might not have a problem chucking these boxes. That being said, it's good that they don't use up more material, right? I mean, I'm fine them using less material. It's less of an impact on the environment, less on overall reduced weight, eases shipping costs, gas prices, and ultimately consumer prices for me. So I don't mind too much that the boxes are whatever. But yeah, usually I keep the boxes. Maybe these I chuck and I won't feel bad about. Okay, let's take a look at the green ones. Okay, yeah. These I really wanted, because as much as I liked those green general releases, these are better. These are just straight up better. And you know what? I got so lucky because I sold those ones I unboxed. I sold those on StockX. I'm sorry to whoever bought them. I sold them not for a crazy profit, but for more than what I paid for, even after fees and everything. I got my money back then a little bit. But I just had a feeling that more of these would come out, and I just, as I've said in past videos, I'm not a rich man. I need to clear out shoes to keep doing these unboxing videos, so I only hang on to either ones I can't get rid of or ones that I truly, truly love. So those I did not truly, truly love, and I had an inkling there'd be more of these out, so I got rid of them, and it was just in time. These have been super popular, as you know, this model, this silhouette, and I just knew that they're going to keep pumping these out, like Yeezys, like Dunks. It's just the only reason they didn't immediately pump out more is just that, it takes time to place the orders, manufacture these, ship these, get them online, sell them. So it was only a matter of time, because the new creative director at New Balance is Teddy Santis, who is the founder of ALD, Aime Leon Dore. So it's kind of like, how Virgil Abloh founded Off-White, and now he's the creative director at Louis Vuitton. Same thing. So with that connection, they're going to be doing more of these New Balance ALD collabs, I suggest, and with that being said, I think they're going to keep pumping these out. These sell well. It's like their Yeezy. It's like their Dunk. So if you missed out on these, do not pay an arm and a leg for these. Go ahead. They're going, and speaking of that, they're on the market for just a little bit over retail. So as we speak, these are in the 200s. These are like mid 200s, at least in this size. And the ask on these used to be, you know, astronomical, really high. So they've definitely come down with everyone getting their pairs, the supply being increased. And that's going to happen again. So don't pay an arm and a leg for them. I'm probably going to try to flip these. And when I say flip, get my money back and then just a little bit. I don't need 2 pairs of shoes. I really like the green ones, and basically I upgraded the green ones that I had. I will say, oh, let's see what the other laces these came with. They came with the cream colored laces and green ones. Kind of digging the green ones on these. I think if I kept the navy, I would lace up the, I don't know. I like the cream on both. It's tough to say. Tough to say. Let me know what you guys are doing with yours. What was I saying? Okay, let's compare these side by side. I will say I like some of the other maybe releases a tad bit more. Like I like the green ones with the yellow N, kind of Packers vibes. You know, I'm a Packers fan. And I like, I do like the navy and red ones. Those ones were not going for a ton. In fact, in my other video, I said if I got enough comments to buy, I would buy those resale because those were affordable. Still haven't got enough comments to buy, and now they're dropping these, so that's unlikely to happen. But I do like some of the original colorways that dropped first. I guess these are the original colorways that dropped first. So I guess I should say the secondary colorways that dropped. But these are pretty sweet. Let's get a good thumbnail shot right there. There we go. Hold for the camera. Let's try these on. I'll try on the green ones because I'm probably going to keep those. I won't try on the blue ones because I'm probably going to try to sell those. All right, let's take these off. What am I wearing? I am wearing these New Balance 2002 Rs. These are great. Check out that unboxing video. I think this is one of my favorite pair of general release shoes that I own. Some of the most comfortable sneakers that I own for sure. I absolutely love these. These are like this, just a really clean dad shoe trainer. I really like them. I like these even better than the ones that got, what was the pack that got released? The protection pack had the cut edges. I just like, these are cleaner to me. I love this colorway, this gray colorway, taupe, what have you. These are just absolute, aren't these sick? Check out that unboxing video. Okay, but that's what I have on. I love them. Can't say enough good things about them. Okay, let's trying to tidy up this background. There's all this tissue paper. All right, that looks better. My OCD's been calmed. Okay, take this off. So I purposely wore some slightly wild socks. Not crazy, but these are my Johnny Cash stance socks because I think this is standard issue for you know, rich Hollywood guys or New York dudes and girls. So you're gonna find this with a lot of just like, you know, generic colored socks, white socks, what have you. So I wanted to see how these looked with some of my style of socks. A little bit wilder, a little bit flashier, but we're not doing anything too crazy. So this is, I just pulled these out. These are good in between these Johnny Cash socks. Kind of goes with any color. Has a little pizzazz to them, but they don't steal from the shoe, right? So that's what I was going for here. Just see how they look. Yo, these are pretty fire. I will say right now, for all you asking about sizing, I would go true to size. I feel like I give the same answer most of the time with the shoes I buy, but you could go half size up. Half size down you could, but they would be snug. That being said, this is a softer leather. It might give a little bit more. Let's put the other shoe on. Yeah, I would go true to size. These will break into. It's really high quality leather. I don't know how comfortable these are, but it looks like it's got a pretty foamy insole. These were basketball, New Balance's basketball shoe back in the day. And one of their signature basketball shoes, just kind of like the Air Force One or Dunk Low for Nike. So they're not going to be super comfortable, I don't think. So if you have high arches or you get sore feet or your feet hurt, I wouldn't wear these around Disneyland all day, probably. Only wear these to an all-day walking event if you can really handle it. I think these are more you show up at an event that lasts a few hours or that you're seated for most of it. Yes. Yes. What do you guys think? I think all I'll say is anything that you can get for a really good, for retail relatively easily. It's a hype shoe, looks clean, can wear it with multiple things. I mean, that's, what more can you want? Good quality on the materials. Let's give these a rating. So I think I've been forgetting on some of my unboxings lately to give ratings. Anyways, let's give these a rating. So I wouldn't say a 10, that's too high. Wouldn't say a 9, that's probably too high. But I would say these are an 8.5, I think. You got a collab, good materials, dope silhouette, as I said. It was fairly easy to get these, and even if you missed out, these are somewhat attainable in the resale market. I mean, that's a bonus point thing. That doesn't factor in the rating too much, but that's just an extra credit thing. Yeah, I give these 8.5. Let me know what socks you're putting on to lace these up. What type of socks you think go best? I think these go all right, but yeah, probably solid colors, the wave, or a small pattern. Probably white, maybe no shows, maybe ankle socks, but these aren't bad. Anyways, I have more unboxing videos coming up soon. Feel that sticky rubber. These are like basketball shoes. I would not play in these though. Zero ankle support, but these feel like some court shoes, maybe some volleyball shoes. Yeah. Yeah, more unboxings videos on the way, so please subscribe. Maybe even hit the notification bell. I never say that because I have not enough subscribers to really say that, but hit the notification bell, get alerted, because more stuff's on the way. And I'm going to start branching out to different types of videos rather than just unboxings. Maybe go over parts of my collection, maybe compare some things, this or that, maybe give some more sneaker economic video thoughts. Who knows? But yeah, you can only find out if you subscribe. Thanks for watching.